We are going to make a guacamole. These are the ingredients: 3 avocados, half a onion, 1 cloves of garlic, 1 lemon, 3 tablespoons chopped up fresh cilantro, 2 seeded chopped tomatoes, and I have a chopped onions now here. This is a half of an onion. So let's start. So we put the onion and avocado, and then we're just gonna smash it like that. And then we put that. And then we put the tomato. We are going to grate the garlic. Next, lime. We're gonna grate the skin. So we smash all the avocados. We're just gonna put some a little bit of salt, cumin, just a pinch. That's it. Now we have to put the lime to preserve the colors of the avocado. So there you go. We are done. And it tastes really good. Try this recipe. It's easy to follow. 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients and more. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.